boost relay, yung positive sign 30 at saka 85, negative sign 86, so ground, power supply 87, dalawang
Positive
87.
30 ka
So makita natin dyan yung supply natin dyan is yung dalawa, 85 at saka 30.
negative
Positive sign yung
87.
sa white na wire. Tapos yung green, ito is 6 natin yung ground. Tapos yung ground natin yung negative ng ano natin, ilaw. Yan. Yan lang simple guys, magkabit, magpasiga ng ilaw.